Hello, welcome to my first YouTube video. My name's Jason and I own a small body shop. We do spraying and car repairs, body repairs. It's just me and my son. So I thought I'd just give you a little introduction of what we've got and what we do, and hopefully you like it. So we're on Meeper Water base coat. It's a little bit untidy in here. We're very busy, but I thought I'd just shoot it as it is. I love Sarta. Everything I use is Sarta spray gun wise. So got X 5500 futures for base coat and lacquer, and then 5000s for second colour and solid colour 2K, and then variety wet and wet. Jet 100B for primer and mini jets, and then I'm on Sarta RPS, which I've only just gone on to actually. I was using the 3M PPS2s. I liked them, they're good, but I found when I used the Sarta I was getting a much better flow rate. They're a little bit more fiddly, and obviously you can't spray upside down with them, but yeah, I definitely prefer the Sarta RPS now I've used them a few times. Just get more consistent spray with them, more consistent flow, and the jobs have been slightly better, I think, and slightly cleaner. Whether that's just coincidence, but yeah, really liking them. Expensive, but everything is from Sarta. But there you go. We like to do a good job, so we spend good money on good materials and good equipment. So I'll show you around. Through here's where the spray booth is. It's a little bit tight in here, but it fitted. Just Haltech booth, single phase. Runs on LPG bottled gas. Works really well. It's backdraft. Bit noisy, but it works really well. There's Meeper colour chips there, and then compressor wise we've got single phase again, twin pump, 4 horsepower, and then Kaiser dryer with triple filter. And if we go in the booth, again a little bit untidy at the moment, but this is the booth. LED lighting. It's due a service really, and a clean out, filters are due changing, but I'll probably do a video on that at some point. So this is the job we've got in at the minute. Audi Q2, I think it's on a 70 plate. Guy reversed into a pole, quite a nasty dent through here on the tailgate, through that feature, bulged on the bottom and then creased through here. So we repaired that yesterday. And then obviously hit the bumper as well. Humped it up through there where the framework pushed against it, and then there was a bit of a crease through here, but no splits or nothing, and repaired okay. The only thing that did break was that fixing there on the back, but you can't buy that framework from Audi. Like a lot of times with Audi bumpers, they show the part as a separate part, but they won't sell it. It comes complete with a bumper, and I don't think it warranted buying a new bumper just for that. But we managed to fix it. We stapled it, and it's nice and solid, and it fit back on no problem. And then the lower part of the bumper over there, the bumpers did come apart actually on the impact, but it just unclipped, so it'll all go back together no problem. So I'm going to try and film. I've never done any of this before, so I'm going to try and film me prepping it and spraying it today, and yeah, we'll see what it comes out like. But thanks for watching.